Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saber Ahmed, and today we have something truly exciting in Photoshop for you. Whether you're a long-time subscriber or a new visitor, I promise you won't want to miss what we've got lined up. But before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest content from our channel. So, without further ado, in the realm where artistry meets technology's embrace, the gradient tool in Photoshop, a wondrous space, a brush of hues, a dance of shades, it can create. In poetic words, let's explore and illuminate. Imagine a canvas, a digital world at your command, where colors blend and merge like grains of sand. To master this tool, to make your visions grand, a journey of learning, let's now understand the palette's embrace. Start with a palette, an artist's true grace. Select your colors, like a painter you trace. Click the gradient tool in the toolbox's place, and watch as your canvas transforms its face. The gradient types, linear, radial, and angle, their secrets unfold. Reflected, diamond, and more. Stories untold. Experiment with each. Be fearless and bold. As you wield the gradient tool, let your vision be sold. Opacity and stops. Opacity and stops, a dynamic duo they make. Adjusting transparency, like a dreamy lake. Drag and drop stops. In precision, they'll partake. Crafting gradients, a masterpiece they'll bake. Blend modes, symphony. Overlay, soft light, multiply, they sing. Blend modes, symphony, let your creativity spring. Experiment with them, like a bird on the wing. The gradient tool's magic, let your canvas ring. The gradient map, dive deeper into artistry. A gradient map you'll find, mapping colors to tones, a visual treat designed. In the world of gradients, your creativity shines. With this tool in hand, your art intertwines. Brushing with brushes. Pair brushes with gradients, an artful endeavor. Create textures and patterns, like a fine feathered quiver. Soft or hard, round or square, like a crafty weaver. The gradient tool's potential, it will surely deliver. Layer styles embrace. Layer styles and gradients, a love story to tell. Drop shadows, bevels, inner glows, all dwell in the layers panel. Their secrets dispel. Crafting depth and dimension, your art will excel. Practice and exploration. 1,000 words won't suffice to truly unveil the depth of the gradient tool, its stories and trail. Practice and explore. Let your creativity sail through gradients and colors. Your art will prevail. Tutorials and guidance. Seek tutorials and guidance from masters of the craft. On the web, you'll find resources in numbers that are vast. YouTube's your friend, like a teacher steadfast. Let these virtual mentors guide you to the loft. Artistic inspiration. Look to the masters, both old and new. Be inspired by their artistry. Let their works imbue. Learn from their palettes, their techniques imbue. The gradient tool, your muse, will bring your vision true. Photoshop's playground. Photoshop's playground, an endless train. Experiment, play, let your visions reign. The gradient tool, like a painter's domain. In your creative journey, it's an artful refrain. Creative challenges. Join creative challenges, where artists unite, compete, collaborate, and let your talent take flight. With the gradient tool, your creativity's light will shine in the challenges, both day and night. Feedback and critique. Seek feedback and critique from peers who are keen. Their insights and suggestions, like a guiding beam, to refine your skills. Let their wisdom be seen. With the gradient tool's mastery, you'll live the dream. Pattern overlay. Textures of the earth, like earth's rich tapestry, of immeasurable worth. Patterns add texture, a sense of rebirth. In layer styles library, find textures, mirth, blend if, a masked secret to uncover, in shadows and highlights, like a hidden lover, blend if commands, to uncover and discover, layer styles, subtlety, like secrets to hover, mastering gradients, colorful dreamscapes, like a painter's palette, and vast landscapes, gradients enchant, with vibrant escapes, in layer styles world, let your vision reshape, experiment, create, let creativity flow, create your masterpiece, and as you journey through this artful creation, remember, each stroke, each blend, is a revelation. The gradient tool's power, your imagination's foundation, to create your masterpiece, an eternal dedication. In poetic prose, we've explored this tool of grace, the Photoshop gradient tool, in its boundless space. With practice and passion, your art will embrace a world of colors and gradients, your vision's true place. Thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to share this incredible experience with you. Remember, life is short. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.